how to get Bitcoin on Cash App. If you want to get Bitcoin on Cash App, you have to launch the Cash application. Now, if you want to get Bitcoin, just come to the Home tab over there. Then there you'll find the option called Bitcoin. To get Bitcoin, you need to deposit Bitcoin or receive Bitcoin to your Cash App. To be able to receive them, you'll need to find your wallet address. So you can find your wallet address by going to the Bitcoin tab, tapping on the Get Started button. Then once you've bought Bitcoin, you'll also find the option to deposit Bitcoin. So here it says get your Bitcoin address, so I can tap on it. And then once you've verified your account, these features will be available. So you must make sure that your Cash App account is verified, and then only you'll be able to get all those respective features. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.